Today I'm going to share with you how you can install a standalone remote start. This is the kits that we make. This is a Ford Evo and a Ford 3 T-harness. This here is a single one-only plug that you have to connect to this vehicle to make this thing work. I know it's crazy, but it's true, and I'm going to show you. On here, this is pre-wired and pre-flashed because that's how we usually send them out to our buyers. But in this case, you see that there's two plugs on there. One is this white plug, which is the CAN bus communication, which goes through this T-harness and gets the data from the OBD connector, which is the one down here, also known as the diagnostic connector. So on the bottom of the diagnostic connector, there's a little push clip. You push that in and you pull back, and then there is going to be your connector for the remote start. So the way it works, you take this, plug it into that end. You're going to be left with the other side, the male side. You're just going to take that and put it back where the other plug came from. It clicks in there. Just make sure you hear that little click. And there you go. That is installed. Actually, that's installed. That's actually the installation. Believe it or not. Now you just got to program it to the vehicle, and that's easy. Let me show you how that works now. So when you get into the vehicle, the first thing you want to do is you want to unplug this power plug or the data plug. And on the side, there's a little push button. That's the programming button. So what you do is you press and hold the button while you insert the power plug. And you'll see the LEDs dancing around. They're going from blue and red together to red to yellow to blue. And they'll keep doing the same sequence, so repeat over and over again. Your job is to release your finger when it's on blue alone, like that. Once that's done, stick your key in the ignition, turn it on, wait for that blue light to blink 10 times. It's done. It's programmed. Then you just got to button this up and plug it up under the dashboard. This system here can be programmed a few different ways to operate. One, by default, we set them up for 3-lock activation, which will give you an audible confirmation from the horn honk on the second and third time you hit lock. Or if you don't want to hear that and annoy your neighbors, we could set it up so it works lock, unlock, lock, so that way it's quiet, but you won't hear the audible confirmation. However, you can, as Gus, or if you're buying it somewhere else, whatever, you could use the white plug and you could tie it into the parking lot so you can get a visual confirmation to know that your remote start is operating. But I'm going to use the 3 times lock activation. There you have it. Then you just get into the vehicle, turn the key to the on position, you press the brake, and you just go.